Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So you might have heard that Mi Mix 4 is expected to go official in the coming months and will be getting some of the newest and coolest tech possible. Yeah, you heard that right. Recent leaks from China gave us an idea about the battery capacity and the charging speeds. According to the report, the device will come packed with BM58 batteries with a rated capacity of 5000 mAh, and the report is in line with the previous report about the device passing 3C certification. It revealed that the phone will pack 2430 mAh dual cell batteries. And this is how they achieved faster wired charging speeds of 120 watt. That's not all though, as 80 watt wireless charging was also mentioned, and if that ends up being true, the Mi Mix 4 will offer faster wireless charging than most smartphones offer for wired charging. This upcoming Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 will come with some of the high-end specifications in other departments as well. It's set to get the latest generation of under-display camera technology to offer a truly full-screen experience. But there is a bit of twist here, you won't be seeing a 2K resolution display. No 2K and no Full HD Plus either. So what then? Well, it is set to come with a specifically customized high screen resolution display which will offer better results compared to regular Full HD Plus screen, but it won't be 2K. Coming to the chipset, it could come with Snapdragon 888 or 888 Plus depending on the time frame when it's announced. Android 11 is also expected to come pre-installed on the phone along with MIUI 13 on top of it. The MIUI 13 will come with several new features and improvements compared to MIUI 12.5, and we should know more about it in the coming weeks. Currently, the MIUI 13 is under testing and smartphones launched by Xiaomi in the past 2 years could be compatible with the new update. And it's also hinted that MIUI 13 could be officially launched in August this year. Earlier it was June, then it was moved to July, which seems like a possibility even now, but the new post from Xiaomi executive hints at the August launch, so if MIUI 13 does go official in August, then you know what, Mi Mix 4 might launch in August or after that. As for design, the phone will likely be made out of metal and glass or metal and ceramic to give you that premium feel. Also, thin bezels and full screen experience is to be expected. With that, we conclude our video. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.